Toffee! It's the box of happy! It came in a purple box this month. Ooh, so pretty, huh? Classy. This is what we are on this channel. Classy. We got a little card. It's all cute. It's a CatLadyBox sticker. What's in here? What's in there? A cat scrunchies. For you or me? I think it's for me. Yeah, I got scrunchies for myself. You got scrunchies and a pair of sunglasses, biscotti. Stop it. Be nice to your sister. Toffee, you want the sunglasses? There you go. They look great on you. Okay, got another kitty toy. A boot. Got a boot. Go Toffee. Oh, that's cute. Keep calm. It's a little kitty. Oh, my Toffee. And we got a pretty shirt. Oh, that's cute. Little kitty in the sun. And it says, take it easy. Yeah, it's not right, girls. Yeah. Hi. Toffee!